Google Forms is a survey administration software included as part of the free, web-based Google Docs editors suite offered by Google. The service also includes Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drawings, Google Sites, and Google Keep. Google Forms is only available as a web application. The app allows users to create and edit surveys online while collaborating with other users in real time. The collected information can be automatically entered into a spreadsheet. The Google Forms service has undergone several updates over the years. Features include, but are not limited to, menu search, shuffle of questions for randomized order, limiting responses to once per person, shorter URLs, custom themes, automatically generating answer suggestions when creating forms, and an upload file option for users answering questions that require them to share content or files from their computer or Google Drive. In October 2014, Google introduced add-ons for Google Forms that enable third-party developers to add new features to surveys, while in July 2017, Google updated Forms to add several new features. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.